This is how to use the thermostat at Heavenly Trebolo. Very, very easy. It's a standard thermostat. There is a mode button. Temperature up, temperature down. You can read the mode. Right now it's off. When you press, heat comes on. We don't want heat. Cool comes on. You can adjust the temperature. That's your target temperature. That's your current temperature. To turn the system off when you leave, push off. You'll see the off button and the system is no longer functioning. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487 or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.